So I created a contact list using Microsoft Access, which is something that we learned this past 2 weeks. So one thing I really like about it is that you can filter things out, or you can add from Microsoft Outlook. So if I click on that and drag this guy over here, I can add somebody who's not on the list. For example, Mike Lassen. I bother him a lot. I already double clicked on it, so I just need to select OK, and there he goes. So I just need to fill in, he's with Maya Romanoff, this is his business, and whatnot. Since we do have two separate showrooms listed here, I'm in New York, the New York showroom. Everybody else on here is from Chicago, basically. So if I wanted to, I could filter everybody out by zip code. So 122, that's in New York, that's our New York showroom, and that's our New York team. So that's really useful too if I don't feel like looking at every single person in the company. And I do really like this add from Outlook feature, because then I can just add everybody and not do it manually. So that's really useful. So yeah, that's Microsoft Access 101.